The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello, my name is Dan Kelly Peterson, and I am the Redhawk Network Manager in Career Services at Seattle University. Today we're going to go over our student workshop, Intro to the Redhawk Network. Please be advised that this is an introductory program, and for those users who have plenty of practice using the Redhawk Network, we advise you coming into our office to make an appointment to go further into the information that we will talk about today. Let's get started. So step one is you're going to log into the Redhawk Network by accessing it through this URL. All Seattle University students have been uploaded into the Redhawk Network. Your username and password at Seattle University will be what you will use to log in to our system. You will log in following the Student Redhawk Network login, which is circled here. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Set Password link, and our Office of Information Technology will reset your password and email it to you. The first time you log into the Redhawk Network, you will be prompted to agree to the Redhawk Network User Agreement. Please read it and follow instructions to edit your profile to accept the terms. Click Save to continue. The Redhawk Network User Agreement is in place to protect students, alumni, employers, mentors, and the university in general. This is an open and public site for those people who have been allowed and accepted and approved to participate. Students, employers, faculty, staff will have options and opportunities to connect with students inside this system. It is important that all users read, acknowledge, and accept the user agreement. If you have further questions about that, please contact our office. You'll notice my phone number is on each slide at the bottom of the page, and you can contact me directly. Once you've logged in, you will automatically be taken to your home page within the Redhawk Network. After you've logged in, you'll be on your Redhawk Network homepage, and there are a couple tools that we want to get you associated with right away. Three major tools that we're going to talk about today are Announcements, Resource Library, and the Calendar. With Announcements, you're going to find important announcements from our office and other offices on campus that have administrative rights and privileges to use this system. Major announcements will include things about jobs and internships, our career events such as job and internship fairs, and any workshops that our offices put on that help support you in your career development. The next piece is the Resource Library. In the Resource Library, you will find this student guide that I'm showing you today and other valuable resources, such as applications for on-campus opportunities and links to sites that have job search opportunities and capabilities outside of the Redhawk Network. Some other important features to note is the calendar. You'll see all upcoming workshops, jobs, and internship fairs on the calendar piece. That links with all of our career events. Report a Hire is a great feature that we'll talk about a little bit later, but that helps us collect data on where you end up accepting employment opportunities. My Task List, this folder will show you all new responses to your resume referrals. You'll also be notified via email when an employer responds to your resume that you've submitted to any specific job. And last but not least are the saved searches. You're going to find any job search that you've saved, including your job agents, which we'll talk a little bit more about. Now, if we go deeper into the Redhawk Network and we look at your account, there are 5 choices and options for you to select when you hover over the My Account page. The first is My Profile. Here you can view your personal information such as your password, your phone number, your email, your current majors, your current GPA, and other information. Please know that this is a view-only option. You can't change anything in here because our system is linked to the university registrar office and database, and that's how we pull all of our information. So if you need to make any changes, we recommend that you make those changes through the office of the registrar. In 24 hours, it will update in the Redhawk Network, and you should see those changes. If you don't see those changes within 48 hours, please contact our office immediately so that we can work with you to get those changes permanent in your account. The second piece is My Documents. Here you can upload Microsoft Word, PDF, or RTF documents into the following categories: resumes, cover letters, unofficial transcripts, and lists of references. You can upload up to 20 different resumes, 20 different cover letters, 3 different sets of unofficial transcripts, and 6 lists of references. When you apply to jobs, you will be able to select one document from each of these 4 categories. Our employers tend to use this feature a lot, so it's really important that you keep all of your documents uploaded here. And with all these documents that we've talked about, every one of these documents can be supported and maintained and created by you with the help of our career advisors. The third piece that we're going to look at is My Connections. My Connections is a way for you to connect your active LinkedIn account to your profile to see where all of your connections work, specifically when you're performing a job and internship search. All of your connections will show up in the job search field when you select a specific job or internship. This could be helpful in networking and making initial contacts within the organization. The fourth is My Activity. And there are 4 types of activity that you can view that are recorded inside the Redhawk Network. Referrals. These are resumes that you've submitted to an employer's job or the Redhawk Network has submitted on your behalf. Placements. These are your current job placements and the details of those placements. Where you work, who was your supervisor, the type of job that you performed, any salary and wage information that you'd like to keep. It's a great place for recording all of that information. And then finally, RSVPs. So these are the job and internship fairs or workshops for which you are currently registered or have registered for in the past and attended. The final piece is My Assessments. And My Assessments is a section where your personality assessments are held. And the Redhawk Network provides support with 2 different personality assessments: the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator and the Strong Interest Inventory. For more information about these 2 assessments, please contact our office, and one of our career advisors will be able to help you through the process. The Employer Directory menu will allow you to search through our list of employers who have asked to be able to connect with Seattle University students and alumni. You will only see the employers who have selected to be listed to students. Employers have the option to either show their information or not. Here you can search the directory by industry, geographical location, or name. It's a great start to your initial research of who to work for and where the job site might be located. There are several resources to aid you in searching companies and organizations. We have several resources located in our office that you can use as well as online. As an Out for Work certified career center, we also recommend using the Human Rights Campaign website as a valuable resource that identifies which organizations place a high value on workplace satisfaction and inclusion. Are you ready to perform a job or internship search? Here's how we start. There are 2 types of jobs in our system: jobs that you are qualified for and jobs that you aren't. If you're not qualified for a specific position, you're going to see a message located in the job search and reasons why you're not qualified to apply for that job posting. This may be because you haven't updated your profile, your major's changed, employers are looking for juniors or seniors only, or they're looking for experienced alumni. If you are qualified, then the employer is allowing you to submit your resume through the Redhawk Network. There will be a Submit Resume button at the top of the job posting. Employers also have an alternate option in terms of seeing qualified candidates, and you'll find that in the application instructions field for every job or internship posting. This will give you directions on how to apply directly to the employer for the job. Finally, after you've started and initiated your job and internship search, you can save your search by creating a job agent. And the job agent will give the Redhawk Network the opportunity to do the job search for you. Every time a new job or internship that matches your search criteria that you saved becomes active in our site, the Redhawk Network will send you an email and notify you that these new positions have become active. And you can make as many job agents as you want. And this allows the system to help you in your job search, so you don't have to log in every time. We highly recommend creating this feature and using this feature. It will just help you faster search for a job or internship. Career events and job fairs are a major way that employers will connect with students, as well as workshops for our offices on campus to support you in your career development. You're going to choose the Career Events and Job Fairs menu to view all upcoming job internship fairs and workshops that are hosted by Career Services. You should RSVP if you plan to attend an event, as this helps us better plan for the expected attendance of all of our events. A new feature that is now allowable for you in the system is to create an event agent to receive emails from the site on upcoming events. So similar to creating a job agent, you're going to create an event agent by saving this career event search. You will be notified of all upcoming events in the system and when new events become active for you to be able to RSVP. Another way for employers to connect with students is by hosting on-campus interviews and creating schedules through our system. There are two types of schedules and options in the Redhawk Network. There are qualified schedules. This is where you can sign up for specific interviews. And then there's a way for you to view all upcoming interview schedules. In our system, you'll be able to look at all current schedules under this menu, but you cannot sign up from here. In order to sign up for schedules that you qualify for, simply click on the qualified schedules to apply or sign up on a schedule. In order to sign up on a schedule, the steps to follow are easy. Put your cursor over the OCR schedules and select qualified schedules. Click on the schedule ID to see the specifics of the position, and click on the interview date to choose an open interview time slot. If you have further questions about how to apply for interviews or be available and qualified for interviews, please contact our office and we can walk you through that. If you've gone through the interview process and been accepted and offered a position, please let us know. Each reported hire helps us to maintain accurate placement statistics, and these statistics allow us to better serve you through further programming. You might be asking yourself, how do I report a hire? Or how do I report a placement? To report a hire, you're basically going to go back to your home page, and remember when we talked about a couple of different areas there, right underneath I want to, you're going to see the second line down is report a hire. Click on that link, and this will guide you through the process of reporting a placement. You basically will search for the position if you applied through the Redhawk Network directly, and then click Select Job. If you did not apply for a position directly through the Redhawk Network, simply click the Other tab located above the Results section in My Jobs and type in the job title and organization name. When complete, click Save. It's that simple. Do you need more help? Do you want to do some career discernment? Are you unsure about what major fits you best? These are the offices that can help you with that question and many other questions. Our office is located in the Student Center Pavilion. It's also called the Piggott Pavilion for Leadership, and we're in Office 110, and here is all of our contact information. If you're a business student, the Albers Placement Center is designed specifically to support you. The Albers Placement Center information is located here, and they are located in the Piggott Building. Student Financial Services is a wonderful resource for all students who are inquiring about work-study positions, either on campus or off campus, and work-study awards. They're located in the University Services Building, directly behind the bookstore, and their information is located here. And Educator Career Services is completely designed to support graduate students that are in the College of Education. Their office is located in the Loyola Building, and their contact information is here. We're big fans of social media here at Career Services in Seattle University. We would love for you to engage with us in that way. It's also a great way for you to be more informed on events that are coming up, specific articles that we've been reading and we want to pass on to you, as well as just a great way to connect with other people. So please follow us. If you have more questions, please, please, please always contact us. You can either come see us directly, you can shoot us an email, or you can give us a phone call. We really look forward to helping you in your career development journeys. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day.